guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make these super easy and delicious apple hand pies. So if you want to learn, just keep watching. You can find the recipe on the screen, and also it'll be down below in the description box. This recipe is a small recipe, so if you guys want to make it bigger, all you have to do is double it. For this recipe, we're going to start off with 2 apples. I used Honeycrisp apples, but you can use any apple of your choice. We're going to start off by peeling them, and then we're going to cut them into really tiny squares or tiny pieces. The smaller the better. I actually left mine a little too big, so I had to go back later on and cut them. Then we're going to grab our lemon and we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to grab our butter. These are some of the ingredients that we will be using. I started off by melting my butter in a pan. If you have a wooden spoon, it'll be better. I couldn't find mine, so this is why I'm using a metal spoon. After we melt our butter, we're going to add our apples and we're going to add our lemon. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon and our pumpkin spice, and we're going to mix. Now we are going to add our water, and we're going to add our cornstarch, and once again we're going to mix so everything is well combined. Now we're going to add our sugar, and we're going to mix once again. We're going to let it sit on the stove for a couple minutes until it starts to thicken up. Now we're ready to cut our puff pastry dough. The puff pastry that I use already come pre-cut, so I buy it just like this. You can find puff pastry dough at your local Walmart or your local grocery store. I am using a sunflower cookie cutter, but you can use any cookie cutter or any cutter of your choice. You want to make sure that you cut 2 pieces or 2 doughs of the same shape, because once we add our filling, we're going to add the other top of the dough on top, if that makes sense, and we're going to close it. First we're going to use our fingers, and then we're going to use a fork. I also decided to do these rectangle ones, just a little bit bigger. Then we're going to add egg on top and a little bit of sugar, and we're going to bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And once they are done in the oven, you can add honey on top to make it extra sweet and delicious. That is it for today's video, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll see you guys later. Adios!